Hi guys, this is a short tutorial how to make your own drum kit by using an existing preset. Basically, Qn synthesizer is not dedicated sampler at all, but it has a granular synthesis engine, so you can use a granular engine as a sampler if you want. And basically there is a limitation that each chop has to be equal, but as long as you make a proper sample to import, you can make your own drum kit. So let's get started. First of all, let's load existing drum kit. And then nice. But I'm not gonna use this sample this time. And then, so first of all, you gotta make a sample for granular engine. So as I mentioned, each chop has to be equal. So and the tempo can be adjusted to any tempo, but in this the existing patch uses tempo 90 BPM for the tempo. So it's easier to use, easier to stick with the 90 BPM. And this is the sample I made. I just made it in the Logic Pro. Okay, so this is very simple one, and I just played different note every single quarter note. So first set the length to the max, and then so there are two ways to import the sample to granular engine. One is making a export a WAV file and then copy it to the SD card, and then can import the sample. That's the better way to do it. Or easier way is you can just record the sample through line in input. This is the way I use for this time. So okay, so I just wanna hit the key at the same time. So seems like it has a delay because the Logic Pro has some delay time. Even I hit the button at the same time. So if I go piano mode, so there is a delay. So I need to adjust it. So just first of all, I'm gonna just adjust the length to the original value, and then slightly shift the file position that is a starting position. Then okay, now sounds good. Okay, then let's try. So maybe we wanna make something else, and maybe something a bit faster. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to other pattern. Maybe this is for and then make this as a sub pattern of the last one. Then it's gonna be merged. Second pattern. So basically this is it, and then let's tweak some parameter to make it be more interesting. Okay, so basically I found if I found that if I modify the octave parameter, it's kind of interesting effect. So I make it 1 octave higher, and I'm gonna make morphing pattern to manipulate this parameter, as well as maybe I will enable big crusher, not this parameter, just a bit. Sounds fun. So basically, okay, so let me make the morph pattern. So I'm gonna use pattern 6 for this, and then I just turn on the first one, and then the morph pattern not gonna be played anyway, but I just turn the node to off, and then I just set the beat repeat every single step back to one step. So it's gonna be basically just repeat first step all the time. And then I want to make parameter lock for this step. To do the parameter lock, press the step and then go parameter mode, and then I want to set it to I change the octave to lower, and effect depth to something higher. Then going back the original pattern, and then go the config, and then set morph pattern to pattern 6. So nothing changed, but you can change morphing by pressing those buttons in the turn dial. So you can get a kind of interesting effect. And of course you can shuffle the pattern, or repeat the step. I think that's it.